guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be telling you how to change the font style in Windows 10 laptop and PC. So I will be sending you a format that you have to paste in the notepad, and now I will show you how you do the things afterwards. So here's my notepad. Now I am going to paste it. Now as you can see, as you can see, there is a new font name. So you have to delete this, and you have to choose your font name. Now I will be selecting Arial only. So Arial. Now you have to check the spelling properly, and if you do not do that, your setting means your thing will not be working properly or don't work. I think Arial. Sorry. Now after that you have to click on file menu here, and you have to click on save as. Now you have to click save as. After clicking save as, you have to save as type as all files, and the file name should be, I will give my system font dot reg, and you can give any number. I'll give 3. So you have to click on save. After clicking on save, to go to your settings, the file explorer. Okay, now you can see your system. My system font reg is came. Now you have to right click. Okay, wait. Something has happened. I will fix the problem and be back with you in a minute. Okay guys, now the problem has been fixed. Now as you can see, my system font, there was a problem with the 3, so you have to right click and you can see merge. So when you click on merge, it will ask you, do you want to allow this map to changes in your device? Then you have to click on yes, and adding there is error, you have to continue yes, and it is successfully added to the registry. Now you have to only restart your computer. After restarting, you can get a nice and your favorite font. Now the format I will be sending in the description. If you want to see, check the description box, and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye. And also wait before going, and also follow me on Instagram also. Bye.